So let me just put a hey and let's see what reply it gives. I want to book an appointment. So you can see it is giving us answer back and forth. So now it is asking, I can help you with booking an appointment. Please provide me with the following details, which is name, phone number, preferred date and time, type of my appointment, any note specific. Once I have this confirmation, I will confirm the booking. So let's go ahead and provide the information. So it is also asking me what kind of appointment booking it is, whether it is property viewing or consultation. So I'm providing property. I have provided information it asked me and I've provided it. So let's see what it does. So thank you, Shruti. I'll just need date and time in this format. So let's give a particular date and time in the format it is asking for. Got it. So it will confirm you the book the property viewing for Shruti with phone number, this digits with the note for luxury apartment. Is that correct? Yes. So it will go ahead now and it will book the appointment for me for the property viewing as I'm requested for. So appointment confirmed for Shruti at this point of time and the appointment ID is. So now I'll show you the back end of this. So the back end is like this. So if you see the dashboard, if I show you under the appointment sections, so you can see there's an appointment book for 26th and here's the appointment. So it has taken an appointment for 7:50 p.m. which again it is using the UST time zone, but we have to configure it in IST time zone. That's just a basic prompting we can correct that. So it has already booked the appointment here right in front of your eyes. And if I show you it is showing the total messages. It has the active conversation numbers, the appointments booked, and the total appointments confirmed till date. This dashboard is showing all of this. So this is something which I have built for real estate people. You can see the dashboard over here. This is how it looks. Never miss a client with AI on WhatsApp. So this dashboard is built for real estate people real estate clients who are willing to book appointments for their leads without having any manual follow-up, but their leads can come over and they can book an appointment right from here. It is capable of doing everything. And the best part for this is I built this total thing without writing even a single line of code. And the happiest part for this for you guys is I have not used N10 for this. It's totally vibe coded. What is vibe coded? Explain what you want to build to in your plain English language to AI, and it will help you build the interface which you are seeing right now. So this is how it has been created, and I'll show you the real workings of this. For to create a dashboard like this or to create a funnel like this, you need only two things. One is the Lovable dashboard and second is WhatsApp number, which for now I have used Twilio. You can use anything. I have tested this out on Twilio. I'll show you how I have done this, and these are the only two prerequisites to build this entire workflow. And as I've said, none of N10 has been used and none of any coding has been done while deploying this project. And let's dig in how this project can be deployed and how you can customize it for yourself as well. So this is my Twilio dashboard, and as you can see, I haven't made any purchase on Twilio. It is my free account, and Twilio gives you a recharge of some, I think, $5 every month. So you can do testing through Twilio right the way I have done. So all you have to do is just come on Twilio dashboard and click on this messaging icon and then click on send on WhatsApp message. And once you have done that, all you have to do is just send a message on the number which will appear over here, and simply send a message on the number which appears over here, and this particular thing will be activated for you to test just the way I have just demonstrated for you guys. So that's the one thing which you need to do before integrating your Lovable. So in the next step, I'm gonna uncover that how we can this interface on Lovable. I've already demonstrated you that this is the Lovable UI interface which we have just walked through, and this is the backend. I'll show you the backend as well. So this is the prompt which I have given to Lovable. Don't worry, I'll be providing this prompt in the description box below. You can use the same prompt or you can customize it. Just go through the prompt and you'll understand what is the, like I've mentioned it for the real estate, you can mention it for salons, you can mention it for restaurants. Again, depends on your use cases. So I'm not going to dig on that and that how you can customize. It's just simply, if you read it, you'll get to know that what changes have to be made. And that's the prompt I've given to Lovable. And once this project was ready, all I've done is I clicked on this cloud icon and I clicked on the edge functions. And here, once you click over here, you just copy this URL. Okay. Once you copy this URL, you'll have to come back to your Twilio dashboard. Once you have copied the edge functions URL from Lovable, all you have to do is come onto your Twilio dashboard and come onto the sandbox settings. And here you might be having a demo URL. Just paste it over here as it is and click on save. And once you have done that, you are ready to deploy the project and the agent will start reverting back like I have just demonstrated. And all we need to do when we are deploying a project like this. So that's how easy it is to deploy a project like this. And you can actually build anything. I have built it for real estate. You can build it for clinics. You can build it for salons. You can build it for restaurants. You can build it for one-to-one consultations. Again, totally depends on your use cases. All you have to do is just change the prompt. When you download the prompt from my resources section down below, just make sure you go through the prompt yourself and make the changes wherever it is required. And then provide the prompt to Lovable, and that's it. So the best part is that no N8N, no WhatsApp cloud integration, no template approval or anything is done over here. It's all free for now. Then this project, it's ready to use, it is ready to deploy in the live market, and no high-tech tools are being purchased in this. And that's the ease of using vibe coding when you are deploying a projects like this. And that's all from my end in this particular video. And let me know your learnings in the comment section below. And if you want me to cover anything specific from this particular video or anything in future videos, don't forget to comment that in the comment section below, and I'll record standalone video if I get majority of requests on that particular thing. I'll record a standalone video on the same thing and I'll provide it to you. And in return, all I request from you guys is your love and support by sharing, like and comment and subscribing to this particular channel. And I'll see you in the next one.